This is the hydraulic cylinder rod buckling calculator, which determines if your cylinder rod will buckle under compressive loads. Let's look at the inputs. First, select your unit system from the drop-down menu. You can choose between metric and imperial units. For this demonstration, we'll use metric. Next, select the mounting type drop-down, which offers 4 options. Both ends pinned with a K factor of 2.0, one end fixed, one pinned with K equals 1.0, both ends fixed with K equals 0.7, and one end fixed, one free with K equals 4.0. We'll select both ends pinned for this example. Now enter your measurements. Rod diameter in millimeters, we'll input 10. Stroke length in millimeters, also 10. And applied push force in newtons, entering 10. Click Calculate Buckling Load. The results show a critical buckling load of 222,365 newtons. The safety factor is 242,236.54, which means the critical load is over 240,000 times higher than our applied force. The status reads safe with adequate safety margin, confirming this rod configuration won't buckle under the specified load. This tool helps prevent catastrophic rod failure in your hydraulic cylinder designs. Find the link in the description below. This tool helps prevent catastrophic rod failure in your hydraulic cylinder designs. Find the link in the description below.